Hey everyone! Today we're checking out Proverbs Profits. It's this online system you see in ads everywhere, promising a 60-second Wi-Fi trick to make $300 to $1,000 a day, or even $10,000 to $20,000 a month with almost zero work. It ties in faith stories like a pastor getting a divine tip. In this review, we'll cover what it claims, how it works, real pros and cons from actual use, and whether it's a scam or legit. I'll keep it super simple so beginners can follow along easily. So basically, Proverbs Profits is a faith-based affiliate marketing course sold through earnwithgod.com. The big hook is this quick Wi-Fi trick where you use your phone or laptop on any connection to supposedly earn passive cash fast. Key claims include easy daily payouts, no skills needed, and Bible-inspired success. It costs about $99 to join, with training videos, a dashboard, and tools to promote stuff. First impressions from the sales page feel motivational, with pastor stories and success screenshots, but the actual steps stay hidden until you pay. Early notes say the dashboard looks clean and the videos are short, though the whole thing feels like standard online marketing wrapped in inspiration. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Advisor gives earnwithgod.com a 50 out of 100, which is rather low, and flags the super young domain plus a registrar popular with scammers. Other tools like Griddensoft rated just 1 out of 100 and call it suspicious with blacklist hits. The domain is only about 3 weeks old, registered February 24, 2026. Overall, it leans high risk. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot shows 0 verified reviews for Proverbs Profits or earnwithgod.com. Forums like Reddit and social media are full of warnings instead, with folks saying it's a bait and switch. Users who bought mentioned the training is just basic affiliate stuff with no real passive income, and dashboards look fake in promo clips. The pattern is mixed to negative. Some get the course but see no big money, while most call it overhyped with zero proof of easy earnings. Now let's break down the pros and cons from actual use. On the plus side, the videos explain affiliate marketing basics well for total beginners, and the faith angle feels encouraging if that motivates you. A few testers say the dashboard is easy to navigate at first, but on the flip side, it doesn't deliver the 60-second passive trick at all. Results require real work building traffic and sales. Many see 0 payouts, and the hype leads to disappointment fast. Basically, it's regular marketing training dressed up fancy, not a miracle. For additional evidence and red flags, scam reports on YouTube and Reddit highlight bait-and-switch tactics, unrealistic promises, and refund hassles where support goes quiet. The money-back guarantee exists on paper, but gets tricky in practice per complaints. Big red flags are the brand new domain clashing with proven claims and heavy emotional ads, while the green flag is that affiliate marketing itself can work if you put in effort the right way. So, putting it all together, flashy 60-second trick with faith spin, super low trust scores, brand new domain, 0 independent reviews, and tons of scam warnings, the picture clearly leans toward high risk. My honest take is it's not an outright fake box, but the promises are way overhyped. Most people lose money or time, and you're better off skipping it for free beginner resources elsewhere. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.